Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you feel secure, relaxed, and comfortable. Yet many homeowners in Orange Park don't realize how much of their indoor comfort depends on the quality of their doors. Old, worn, or poorly sealed doors can let in drafts, humidity, and noise, making your home less enjoyable to live in. Replacing outdated doors with modern, energy-efficient models not only enhances your home's style but also has a direct impact on how comfortable you feel inside. Eliminating drafts and temperature fluctuations. One of the most noticeable benefits of door replacement is the elimination of drafts. In Orange Park's climate, where summers are hot and humid and winters can bring cooler breezes, poorly sealed doors allow outside air to seep inside. This creates hot or cold spots in your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature. A new, properly installed door with advanced weather stripping provides a tight seal, keeping your indoor air where it belongs. This not only makes your home more comfortable but also reduces energy waste and lowers your monthly utility bills. Reducing humidity and moisture. Humidity is a year-round concern in Orange Park. When doors don't close tightly or lack proper insulation, moist air can enter your home. Over time, this extra moisture can lead to sticky interiors, mold growth, and even damage to wood floors or furniture. Energy-efficient doors are designed to resist humidity infiltration, helping your home stay drier and more comfortable. By replacing your doors, you'll reduce excess moisture inside and create a healthier environment for your family. Enhancing soundproofing. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about peace and quiet. Outdated doors often do little to block outside noise, whether it's traffic, neighborhood activity, or barking dogs. Modern replacement doors are constructed with denser materials and better seals that help reduce sound transmission. For Orange Park homeowners, this means enjoying a quieter, calmer home where you can relax without constant background noise from the outside world. Improving energy efficiency and comfort. Replacing old doors with energy-efficient models directly contributes to improved comfort. Features like insulated cores, low-E glass panels, and reinforced frames work together to minimize heat transfer. This helps keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, creating a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment year-round. Plus, these upgrades reduce the strain on your HVAC system, leading to lower energy bills, an added bonus to the comfort improvements. Increasing safety and peace of mind. Comfort isn't just physical, it's also about feeling secure in your own home. Old or damaged doors may not provide the level of security you need. New doors are equipped with stronger materials, advanced locking systems, and reinforced frames that enhance your safety. Knowing your family is well protected adds an invaluable sense of comfort to your living space. Boosting aesthetic appeal. While function is key, appearance also plays a role in how comfortable and enjoyable your home feels. A worn, faded, or outdated door can detract from your home's style and make your entryway feel less inviting. Replacing it with a fresh, modern design not only enhances curb appeal but also creates a more welcoming atmosphere every time you walk inside. Final thoughts for Orange Park homeowners. Door replacement is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a powerful way to improve indoor comfort. From eliminating drafts and moisture to enhancing soundproofing and security, new doors make your living space more enjoyable in every season. If you're noticing drafts, rising energy bills, or simply want to create a more peaceful environment, investing in door replacement is a smart step toward a more comfortable and efficient home.